Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete categories in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com and simply log into your WordPress account. And this is the homepage you're going to see over here. As you can see here, we are looking for the post option over here, and here we are going to go to the categories section. Click on the categories section and it will take you to the categories you have already over here. Now let's suppose that I want to delete this one new own category. So for that I have to just simply click on delete, and as you can see over here it is asking for my confirmation to delete. I'm just simply gonna click OK, and this category has been deleted. Now a very important information is that your category will be deleted, but your post will not be deleted. It will be redirected to another category. If you have none, then it will show under uncategorized, but your category has been deleted, so it will not be as grouped or as simple as it was before. So make sure that you have moved your post and blog to another category before removing that specific category. So that is how you actually delete categories in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.